Listener, you are tuned to Radio Parties 90.9 FM. Peace of Christ for all. Today is September 12th. The year is 2024. 11 minutes has past 7 p.m. This is a talk show that is running from now until the hour of 8 p.m. Like I told you earlier on, I would be joined in the studio by a team. I'm privileged to have them here from Sehad and Arua district. We are coming to talk about the education ordinance mainly, and also other issues related to education. We will be using both the local language, Logbarati, and also English for this particular discussion, for the interest of those who are actually listening to us from some of the communities. Before we get further into the discussion, let me give the guests an opportunity to introduce themselves to you formally, that is their names and also the capacities they have come to speak to you in. You're most welcome. Let me start from here. Yes, please.
Masuru repeat as mi waro chiche maru abibo aroa Freddy ma legal consultant ni Azinga with the Sehad, our friend Marisa.
Karibu. Okay. Yes.
Yes, good evening, listeners. My name is Ogwang Christopher. I work for the Center for Health, Human Rights and Development, in short, Sehad.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Yeah, also, Maru Ayub Kemisi. My senior education officer, Arua district.
Okay.
Yes.
Ba zwadu efi ba body ba nadi kani ale yomin kini omuazi ido ama ejoini indo the Honorable Konzi Alfred LC5 Arua district voleri emu evuna yo matiare ba tutuni yo IBP onitabe awadi madriadini denga podi amundi deleko yo berupe onitabe ale yo kini biba woroki eka skulu lara eka skulu lako ba zimbe vuni la skulu ra dika ama anikira onitebe ovu amapiedi asa wezo kala gameti ase ministry de onitava azina avitavore totoni yoniki yani ani iyo risizita mitia rizizo badzwa di matiako ba di be azinga misi namba mina yo kala waragavuri ritokono romina iri aziri na iri towi eri Radio Parties kali oromi doro mifama Maria Wadia Ogogo. You introduced yourself as a project coordinator for Sehad. You are a representative of Sehad in the studio here. For the interest of those who are listening to us, it will be good to start from what Sehad is and also what has informed your coming in the studio. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good evening once again. Just to add on, my name is Ogwang Christopher and I work for Sehad as a project coordinator for the stand-up project that is being implemented in Arua district, Arua city, Terego, Madiokolo, Nebi, and then the other two districts are in eastern Uganda. Briefly about Sehad. Sehad in full is Center for Health, Human Rights and Development. We are a health human rights organization based in Kampala, and mainly we focus on the right to health and social justice in health. That is where our mandate lies. We do our work through about 4 programs. The first one is strategic litigation, that we work through the judicial system to influence access to justice by the communities, but also take on public interest cases, litigation cases that exist in our communities to support communities access justice. And through this program, we have the Legal Aid Clinic hosted at the Secretariat in Kampala, but with mobile teams that move across the districts where we are working. Currently, we are working in about 44 districts and working in all the West Nile districts and one city. Those are the 12 districts and one city, through the different projects we are implementing here. We have the Global Fund TASO funded project in all the 12 districts and 1 city, and also the Standard project that is in 5 districts in West Nile. The other program that we work through is the Community Empowerment Program that mainly engages with the communities, support them, empower their capacities as rights holders to enable them be able to demand for services and accountabilities from duty bearers at the district level. The other program that we work through is the campaigns, partnerships and networking. This is charged with the influencing policy at the national level and doing advocacy at the national level to create change and impactful solutions to the problems that we have emerging from the local levels, district levels to the national level. And mainly they engage Parliament, the Law Reform Commission and many other ministries, agencies and departments at that level. And then lastly is the Knowledge Management Department that generates evidence, knowledge products and evidence to inform our programming. That is briefly about the programming at CEHAD. So we are here today joined with the district leaders supporting us in discussing the development of the Education Ordinance. We are one of the key pillars of the Standard project that we are currently implementing is to influence and support districts develop a local policy and legal framework that can address challenges in the area of sexual reproductive health. And how does education come in play? Studies have shown that education is very critical for us to enjoy all these other rights that may exist even beyond health. And for that fact, we have done consultations that started last year at the district level in regard to improving the education performance in the district. And you'll agree with me that performance at the district level, especially in the education sector, has not been good for the last few years, especially for Arua. So based on that, the district advised that there was an old ordinance of 2008 that was developed, I think, by APCAN at the time, and it never stood the test of time. And the time it was developed, the Education Act was not yet out. That was yet another hindrance that delayed its implementation. But then also the other factor was that this ordinance was already obsolete. It had been taken over by events. So many things have changed. At the time it was developed for the Greater Arua. So many other districts emerged from Arua. So it would not serve the purpose. So premised on that, we are working with the district to develop a new education ordinance, and I want to thank the district authorities and all the other stakeholders for the support rendered so far, the technical support, the moral support, and all the guidance through this process that we've moved since last year. And currently, we are now doing the consultations with the wider stakeholders at community level. We hope to meet the religious, cultural, and elders in all their capacities, also engage other stakeholders in the education sector that I know the education department represented here will elaborate more. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that overview and a foundation to the discussion. We have been joined in the studio by one more guest. You can introduce yourself to the listener.
Thank you, Rasul. My colleague in the meeting. I'm called Gerfa Gertrude from the Education Department. I'm the District Sports Officer.
Thank you. Mangadi Tija, legal consultant for the Atamba Freddy. Baba yore mazikidwa ti tama vule ugarba tisibo te ba meriba kusalia sidini matamia hii mi banga yodi ba ni lubartisi amadi si yuazi di mari antodini.
Award 4 Masuru mini radio purchase ni ba eri duleba fezo amerizo enderese amemudo yonze mpie unita madria unita madria mani muzo yonze zur malia ame yonze azita ama yota tebane chosi bane chozo anji matipezu sukulua anje ni chozo azu sukulua ene chozo klase alo pere klase ziri dezora di madria anira kini government sawa di samanovuzo aleni adi rima policy ama yota EBP unita ber yokini le badria wa muskulu ala ma la sukulu ma at least ma de afara ma de klase zira banonve for education for all ama UPE policy bale anjima muki skulua ma aki skulua ma dekivini skulu ndere nira tedi anjini muzu sukulua ina azu sukulua ine chozo muzu klase alwa per klase ziria yonde disa dise waro tutunia fade amani suner kini parents ki yoni anjisa disri ndeki dobo dwo ezake madra bati azadre litro oro mi litro mudri ya tapijo antena ibo ndabe yo pobo ocho musukulu ako aya mbati ya divinity aja Idris jokini ya tapi la yo fe sukulu ako afata ene la rikyo chani inki fe ko rudrez ini muzo sukulu ala yo now ikade afadine ndre ata ki adu iblemu ata ki ai tipika eki anje ki iblemu anje ki Idrisi tipika ki iblemu haya saa zini maria miva esu ne kini te di tipikaro ama iyo azete sa hawadi malia sa zebi pia gapir malia ama biki kaikofa anjini muzu skulu ari maparia miyo anje mkidrumu adu oi kaiko kefai kini jirani anje ki diala ki university di azile ipinusu di ari kia duhanikia so ini other way mi divini sune kini fate dionvio nitaro da vani de adreyo tipikani azene vene afanindi azene divini anzi nindi tedi yo awadi government ni nyota fe saro afa awadi fe divini nyota bi ne Arua district nindi adjo government ni government dobe yele hadwa ama adaro vero government ni mi ame repeat mi vini government ni tedi government ndi ma mileki dibele amani onve sazi amani mile bazu imoru ekibe government ronirni de ababeki office da mahali amai eyo azite divini ma adripi Christopher Ninze sehad madriadia ordinance eruer madriari dilebaro ma andra vini ba Arua district ni beleasi bazo ordinance da ni as a copy lawyer Arua zingapi erbera andra vini bemai ordinance mini ndre andra Arua district draw kwa wadari ordinance da amachi andra mani ba kili di in the consultation amwandra vora county ro I recall amwandra bele vora sub county ada amwandra vora bedrifu vora sub county amwandra mu madi bedrifu afa okolwa and then marachabe amwandra mu drifu ale nyadria and then teregobe amwandra drifu afa aivwa ifila idri yomanenzeri aridini sara sa fabano ve Arua district ro be andra ba odaki woro Arua municipal ni andra dinia te sa de si kadine Teregoni do district ni Marachani di district ni Marachama ordinance education ni chi aya afa madio koloni vini district ni yima ordinance vini chi Arua city Saadisi, Erivini Adoni, is a city. Africa local government in it means it's a local government of its own. So Saadisi, Arua district, awi di Beruaro. Bele do vupidi. Tedia Erni Onzeri Adini, Afai Opiandra ordinance di Berry. Ordinance di develop andre eri mate yor lea kwanda council mazamai yini yodini area. Ordinance di council pasi kieri andre imbana maalia. Tedi local Minister of Constitutional Affairs, Attorney General mo office ni diamuzu ordinance ni ofuzu irine achazu effective riba mude riba mbazia mbaziri beda
da elingoi
eli alifiri driniarosi aya ridimu cha ili alifiri drimaro maembao mi sida Uganda ofudi zita banonve Education Act rori echekini ordinance di afudoko aya Education Act te di parliament ni dere amu afuado mavutia ordinance ni mavutia te di iyo di epiri yazita da mesele ama di manio chomve madonve ayinye sections lubara de tisa so jazo mduti simbasaro so midiamu isundre section azidiandra ordinance da mariari I conflict kidi azita order for district Uganda ni siribe ichikini ika legislation rekini in legislative drafting and of that nature as bale constitution may conflict ki act of parliament beko aya bale vini act of parliament may conflict ki adobeko ordinance beko bale ordinance may conflict ki by law beko because that is the hierarchy of the what of the legal laws in Uganda because parliamentary act a rebel ordinance because in law we call an ordinance a delegated instrument, legal instrument, because power district ni afa desore power district ni ordinance desore iki risuingazo section 38 of the Local Government Act. So leteme conflict kiko so after fediandra section azini kichi Local Government Act, Education Act, bani do of 2008 I conflict kide adobe, I conflict di ordinance andra bani de dabe, bani di enforces wacha de andra ewewa because it was contravening the murder law. Area manager naani kichi for example, ika Education Act indre. Education Act has 84 pages. 84 pages of Education Act Mariada mi choninga fazini suba eronve PTA dininiku afabanonve PTA Parents and Teachers Association erodi is a voluntary association, it's not a legal association and legal mandate mini school era bani school era nizore ba feri to school management committee not PTA take a ordinance dan indre ordinance under the Maria before the 2008 Education Act. Power under school Iranizore was actually much in the hands of the PTA. So Education Act power and it to the what? To SMC, School Management Committee. So me this soon the area the authority ni school adari ordinance ni idria dineda PTA da. Yet Education Act ni idria dineda SMC ni da. So it was so grave. And areas in vini ordinance na mahalia da which was so much conflicting bidiandrai giribano chozu school era nizorebe management and administration. So afawa da fediandra bani chozu ordinance da ni forces it's at the andra ewewa. That's why Maratani Fuzuborisi Marata had to come with its own ordinance. Madio Koloni Fuzuborisi Madio Kolo had to come with its own ordinance. The same thing Divine and Rusi, Arua district ni Muzo Idri Bedi. So that ordinance study desad Sirmalia lete di mabidi adobe Education Act 2008 be. The your brief manager bahadrinyari award for.
Okay. Denga amudleko omwazi fidwa wadodi maangamia hii miruetezo obini dika capacity mini fizo andrio nzezu doa obi bere.
The former moderator azimititi miba mairiti already siri maru Alfred Okwonzi ma district chairman aru avleri.
Okay. Modipi ama airira dwa wadwa agbatara gbazo yonde va wadima dia senior education officer aru district vleri ere mabia wadwati te manga kiriti awe atava Fred Mivodi awere process inde di review vu awadi tadingwa dika ordinance bani mudedi badilu de aru district ni aduli akani eringa ibi district azidi bende.
Ika oko district pini su ordinance desori inga Local Government Act ayote section 38 of the Local Government Act for ipini oponi. And ordinance ipini dedi ima ika oponi rudinindre irima opochoni isele law parliament ni derbeku tesele choza ivule rikini ordinance ni luwa zinga district damalia da chekini arua district niri iringa zinga arua district ya funingu aku arua city aku funi madi aku funi zombo aku funingu aku nebi aku di arua district ya jirani iki funi ipivura aku chani tere guaraleko tendri mini andre tere goni imumu eza vurada ezata mini eza ribi fa ordinance di beani irine emibi baina ya fazini matere goni imi ordinance di vurani miemu ama biani agaziko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Madinga tijamivo azi community ni nganga kateko yo BP community be ordinance de maliari ta lepi obi manikirari process de malia yo obi ni mini lo obi maniki processing ngapi BP pere maliara re yongoi
for status moderator mega kini ordinance de bere de amaza kozu skulu amare pimalia anje pimaza kozo ani anje mafiki onita malia mesuko onitara geko kiliruse diller me yosi ma yokini kuyo badi ordinance dere dede ama yemu community lede leta di community memuki saban muzu community yarse banga ordinance epi me fiche yo amani ji ordinance de malia reke adoni gata community pitri ngoni yo amadi unitari de malia amachote kana rana adoye otita amani oti ordinance de malia reke ikimuke kake amuke azine cho ini cho badi ni ngoni didi such that yidinga ne amanga ipitu alo azinga ordinance de madia yo amavlo unitari ezozo district malia dia mika nekini ta fedini yoborle iyo azi ikichi Education Act maalia ebiki ovochi the Education Act au ni iyo azi mefiki pe iyo hiro bipi amabe turu amavle district ya kan kuvura dia ibipi unitaber mefi azeke peko becho imaza kongoni ari ibini peko mika echitashi rentalo awadile mika iyo Education Act ne Education Act ya misuki ni kuyo PTA kadanisi imazilu adiezu sukulu tizo kala yozu school fees ni kanuka fasi ndondo ike ezo te ba school ma de le ade ere school management ere yo school ere ki ondrene mi disu anene yo de bi abatara fe kuiselesi azin school primaria inima yo ikuni kurme yose mi sune sole piti eki abatara ba school management ki yo de yene yo de niko dife Education Act kan ko amavle sarse ordinance di iri yo de me fi che kiliru tipika pimazi nga yangare ngolere ekira yini so school tizu amana monite suzu re ngoye nga amani urutiru eri anife yo azikanga ye amechanza ne kongoni mante yo boderle yo karakara bi ni yaza kosa azikisi Education Act bane azita akiko te amavle ordinance di eringa azita azikiba yo kaye ini tipikaro miezi adoni ikadim iyo azi yedile beso yo de maza kongoni mvake yo azi yedile beso yo azi maza kongoni imusine amabe district ya there mveto gafu muskulu ambose reale mani skulu ku de gamete village ta yo kinko mvaeli tapi school ni arare le maangwa skulu te mvani gasi mvane gashi bamva ku plete di skulu kudi ta ordinance echo yo ler maza kora amake regime place efini eringa maza ko angire saro kala unitavose madi ane yokini sa eke amanu fozo amve obiki orozo ordinance ima yo serisi la memuke angire amuke tikini rakini amai lerada daro ordinance lerma achi sanzin nimika na amavu district area akuchiri chocho ye akuchiri choyo chi in leria akucholo do mu echo sa si cho diskero ya sa chermale sanzin shi ba chone ngadale gipa kanandra erde amane bo amecho yo lerma za kongo na akerbo ordinance yara efinere amaworo tualu obipi amanga yo lerma za ko efina anje amalo dingadiera ingoni tonira so iyo man lek yokini obipini baka mu grand la baka boru imuzu iyo ordinance amano bade mari yo pano tiriki lazo la memukira amumvina amekata fe alenia amani ngazo tizu amani ngazo duzo afa amavlero asingazo anibene
okay dirikwalia si iyo azi fotari yake ni ili bipi na lipi weredi maria performance katekwa fa as a district area ibe of utabani gare leko
tandi
girikwazi si ordinance dininga odata daleri mazi dira kani ebanga yo na mada
angere saro askuni ordinance de maria amoba embata school bangare yengone ekaba pimazi anoni kachorasi embaba ma aki school ma koki enjimaza lerika dowachi sile bani yodo bazura ni amale onita amavleri matu so eya wadi enga eyo ordinance direnga yo ledi maza kwende
okay
askuni tandiru onita amavleri mvivule askuni yo karakara ibirefu ibi ya amavleri district mahalia dia ba tsona azane kokwa azita le novo yorse
okay
so azita de kanga fibo eringa maza ko kaloni taversi yo ledi kisi
okay
koni adulelo parents iko rembaba pima diendi eri anji skulu anji pima diendi eri tipika pima diendi tipika pima azi adoni mi parent ro eka eto azi mi vle mva yezo mva rozo kan kumvo fazuka responsibility mi vle tozo mva matamba skulu areka yeko ameto ado ye di kivini ngawo e kivini world dance net de maliende
okay
efini ringani fe amatichi tu alokin kuyo ama fe ashi amavle unitani anjimesuki unitara ben
honorable Alfred mi egata yodi majari ngoni
megata si of money ordinance desode iri yo amo mipi kalo unitavur malia aman tande fepe amavle unitar mombo ni tuzudle kore iri adoni betoka ni yondere azakong gonero amadi gilkonda diskuni nyakudi mavutia afabani aroni sukuri drani draror beto en aroni suku lakini unitaro de Mungu foponi amani iri toto ola bani sambuer le rezi amani ola ndeme tiofozo ase keidu dale ba moku ase nderangoni ani process di ordinance di dezo di iri bakala erezo eyote badra fuzo onzi di onvizo memvi bria ba palari di ovuni lo alo gameta ni yeni diniko afadi ni mu amazako angu amadr malia abi amadr malia yo bani lezo anzima la skulu rarses ikane akuisele sedale de auturu angiri tipike erini batiku afa tipike yo andi turo di erini batiku andi di turo ini ngoni ruani aditika nini ini ani desu andi di inga tipika da imarua andi ndedi ivini tongori yongoni tipika turo di erini batie yo di ko ikanin tipika ngole di yani amadidi girkonda ndrezuki dirukini ba malie injita madti eta madti yo matikilidi akuma sopala dika andi mamuvini sukurua dinikini andi ndedi ningazo imuzu ovuzu badibaro askon banjiti nyakudi madrie muzo ovuzu badibaro ba pamvwa dia bakadra bormali ba didi girkonda yota dia masidi tandi fepi angwa marini malia de betrazan kongonero gamete ni yonder mazakoni lakini yonde me engineer angiritori irile medongwa akuka unitame yo duru andinde tropi akuma yo repikodi ordinance de azitate de banisidi erdimui imazako yodi ari yondradini yodi ari yodini toto bani buku larle di buku ba tesori mega yoman mani yodi ari di
moderator
mega lo gamete ni ko ba diani didu afa ino
ba dinga yota ibepe amapia zini gamete pia anji pia rikimavia mika na yere yo azini ma vitere alo mika amavle school wadikine sa zini isi obi nyakufe school ni yo school ma didia yerti nyakufe school ni school bati school sida mi musune ya Uganda ya kala azidi pimali abo angute obi pinife kan ko pa pinife school ni odreke musa dia bazi do vina angudiari angudiari ordinance amavla mani ti olere echo amane adie echo amavla school amanya kumatamba askuni akecho school amavla pumanya kumatamba ko school amaridi kinga movu amanga mu school langwa even alo ya mazakopere ika kambala de yera mega ika simoni sare sidicha regionale bamute askuna adiosi yo lerma aza education act ni bienda kokore ordinance lerka kenda aji bechango lerma tambara ifini ordinance odi eringavina amavli school mango matamba ike binne diare sazini simi school ini ramani biovu de serenirisi sazini simi sune school mango tade school ma ango de mimisu agozini tole erodi ko alere mu firi mu tio e school compound awaya
okay
erimbo tio chawaya
okay
te azita olere ko vuchi yo lerma paere tanembara irena mani school ma afa matamba irefane amavle school ni ovala tararo
okay awarfo manga tijata zaga to mi vodi awere mi azinga directly on itapie odzata diki mi gata dunyari ngoni
Maybe Matura, I may use English.
Okay.
Yes. If you look at this ordinance, like my colleagues have already explained, if you look at the objectives, there are 9 of them. Specifically, let me talk about that too. And it is meant to regulate a child's right to education, play, leisure, access to cultural activities, information, as well as freedom of thoughts and consensus and religion. So this is to enlighten all the stakeholders. Like we have already said, the major aim of this is to see to it that our children are enrolled in school they are retained at school till when at least they complete the cycle of primary 7. So how can we do this? Basically, how can we do this? Each and every person who is involved. So that's why we came up with this, looking at all round how to bring a child wholly into this education system. Like when you talk of the cultural activities, how can you engage a child in these cultural activities in a way that will aid his or her education? What play activities can you engage this child in such that he or she remains at school? Because from experience, when you look at school setting, specifically when you look at term 1, term 2, when we have these play activities like athletics, football, netball competition in term 2, the enrollment is so high and great. When it reaches that term when these activities are not there, the enrollment drastically drop down.
Okay.
It drops. So how can we bring this play or activities to retain these children at school? That's why there is a part which talked of formation of clubs, engagement of these children in these activities throughout the year. So we came up with this, and we shall go down there to disseminate and see how these children will be retained at school.
Okay.
Yes.
Yo de pima time frame tien adiskonsi dozu emba arosi ile alfuirifi arosi peresadisi bebi ordinance azi okuda ayo dika ordinance la malia gaps pinite tirisi eli ni mu ba ke omiza emi eyo ba yo ramadian ngoni agberi ni project otita aziki fudile tesa nilumu miso musi to drate kate ko yo nani adiki yaki tabanega mayaki leko
ta district ro amatidri amuti ba novele Center for Human Rights and Development dibe amaza kozo yo de malia sawa amanifezo ordinance de ofozore eri lumba mudri ya dulesi lemba mudri na alose ordinance di mefungwa azingaria di tsede azia madria angirito ba amari dibe yimegata zizu ordinance di madria zidi madria amo tidi yonde di dale elozu dusi amavuti ngani dimu riva avaleko logritiki bani yo ametirni di avali di maliako amadinga bubua ba ipie akwiselese yo de nzeria ega ngoni azita di madria imega tangoni adiskuni ba mupia stadi ayo provun lo alugamete iko amabeni mu ayo ipie woro tipika ipie andi ndedi mavuko ipie adiskuni tipika di afadi ordinance di azita ba lo alovler dria azibalo aluni ngar ngoi mvavle yor ngoi atani le mvavur ngoi mvani le atavur ngoi dika ini vini le gamete mamile vudi ngoi vini bate jajiru di vudi ngoi afadi ifiti worodia ifini kini udwe di malia ametili ni dia vakuba.
Okay.
So in that regards, from tomorrow Friday, we shall be in Vora at 8 a.m. To disseminate this. And on Saturday we shall be in Arivu sub-county at 10 a.m. Monday we shall be in Logiri sub-county also 10 a.m. And in Ajia we shall be there on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Like our district chair has said, it is all around. The responsibility is for everyone. So people invited include the parish chiefs in all these 4 sub-counties. We have the LC2 chairpersons, including their secretaries, LC1, including their committees, LC3 chairpersons, the cultural leaders, religious leaders, including elders in each one of these sub-counties, parishes, the sub-counties. Then we have the women secretaries, and including the police officers at the sub-county level. So all of them have to be involved.
I can add a bit. Metro Badadria, Batsobedi, and in Devin Va, you Furudi, given war emu meeting the Maliende. Representatives will all be there.
Amasani mwakwasi amerenga yo bi matiere yongoni ariani niko namba minitozu egbadori ritokwa ziri azia ritoitori toko aro azia radio parties miole aliafo
no mwe longmane mugororo
mi yoyori madria ngoni
korsata ko bari pinin dati akinde ya latatara kama na ikosi ngodi mana mungu zini tukia pale toto mrekotieni ikiru ili sasa mita tali dikiru mtana dolpe tekra tokiru ndundundu dikeri ili tipika kiru skuru ande be baba be sekra ya kiru ndundu uyenda dasi ani kuskuru ikitipika teri ikibaba ni teri ani anchaga lata tararo dunsikia tayo dunsi dare do pale alukan pale tokoni sa do ka di serious Nyusura danzi ani kesi top tesi ani kuombu por jawo tipika ja siki kukupen kifiri hapa walipo saro bari botukudori baukitu ilero riba awalipo romuze longmani mbororo
awalifangire muze longmani ngazo mogwaria alfo minangire mini me udukotie nazorarse te hamanga kiritimi gata dura radio parties
adule Steve yengazo hora
di adule mia
honorable tura village yango gwa fada kodwa adan sai ko fuma saro program awdisi eri adan mani afandere vazo woro eri azta si za kaloni kavu at district level yo awadire kato po esu kate yeye tasi fezu gametu rumani yo diniati ama wana ikosa skuni ikavura ni du kala unita osivura ndibani nyanya afandere ramande tsandiro obu azini si afani ngazo koza ye periodo lo woro mali askuni anzi makala fa ku skulu kubadi manamba ngabine envianera yo de katidi mudiele eringa ovu amaduru du askuni obu azini si mavle mfandati asem uko pere skulu ayo mbade kata skulu kubama ete maba bashi Madrid ale mbade follow angani skulu da maru da ko du azini si afara zini ngafe mbaba kaluku dichere skulu da mali an mopo azidi toni skulu o tezo ko di oto indi adine mo voi ko si yo adi si yo di kate mudile ama ngonde eto zimba ta erizu buzu bazu azitari aria
okay
askuni anzi sacha kuselesi di skulu kuba di karkara mbamba
okay
awar family saro
arfo adule
otitadi mamudile
okay adule Steven arfo mini ngazo vura yo di bibe yo vura pie Arua district seni vura dule ko te Arua district kani ma ngakiriti bazidu aluiri ba tia pe dunia ditu alini radio parties.
Yes sir.
Mi olialia ama yonja adibia. No airtime ni angoni ani te mitoki obi dikara MTN kate bize mi obi Airtel radio parties. Hello. Miolalia amayonja adibe.
Nyange data sana.
Data sama imi otitadi malera misime bangazungwa.
Ngazo wata.
Ibanga mitiari de.
Otitande diba de mani ndo zitani. Otitande di ba di Ministry of Education ma apa policies di kiworo di kibada government ready kia zita beta ya chitu alo. Tadi ni yamu di akwela sidingo data ine gasi tungo ni di aba zaparistis ple polisi ple naga tavini DP unita baba de ni bituno bene kitibanda kakidia farniye ku idinga pada mafa azini ngare we kando baba parents kidinga fandero yani yale teni wi
okay
so the Maria school the Maria SAS government pa policies les autres DP schools de kiro ba ma Maria sendeko Ni school ala luni sanga ma de to lindondo. Na kanje na kala school ala kidu ni class ya lu izunga ni kusilingi ya fundu bite ka du sinimba alo ni school da Maria sinde for almost silingi ya kalina bite. Temi school Maria ni bite sa tungo ro afazi changes bani yani piyo. Afadeleri timaeze inaza kuura ngoledi se.
Okay.
Nazo di Arua district Maria da bakare di fuangiri. Meda kozi dia andini yezo onze di reduce cost ngoni kibikira batara ba leader rodia amado resi bikira la tumadia afaya ku ando di kibinga titi bara baraka ka kinga titu agada de tedini ya wado.
Okay. Ba disco operators mega imbudila indestra te yomini ngadi ki opopo ogogo na suandipi manga badzo do ni dileba fetia pezio di majeraka adiskonsi eyo di bikiru eyo amanje jodi adi ipie majinga edo
I would for ambo azinze adwa yo kini ducheba aziki avonze ani kini ducheba azini kiti iki ika ikindre dini maava tatapila skulu irani zoko. You see, ika Education Act ne, and specifically ika Regulation 13 in the education Regulation 13 of the second schedule to the Education Act ika ne, most special Regulation 13.2. Yokini, the day-to-day management, proper administration of school shall be the work of the what? The school management committee, which is delegated to the head teacher to do on behalf of the what? On behalf of the SMC. So, eka mi head teacher dre ongbani dre chakwe ani tekini mi school management committee ongba dobe nana. The first supervisor of the head teacher is the school management committee. And that is why when you look at the education policy, they reduce the number of inspectors at the district level because Banira inspectors ke the school ania arkitosa sadiki SMC. So the chere mongo kachako, ask yourself who is your SMC. Nambi rizuri inze yo kini ministers ministers ke azini education ordinance at the local level, and then policy azikichi at the ministry level adojoy onia madripi imiteyo ni zipidi ale lomini ordinance bani ederi adreni balo edera iridi hadini ko ordinance ma process rezo district ka ordinance passi bo ba ordinance di do be rigi to the Ministry of Local Government. In the Ministry of Local Government Department ordinance di Madria yodin in April, it is Ministry of Local Government Department of Legal Research. Ike law di nine. Is this a good law? Does it conflict with any other law? Can it work? Can it improve the welfare of the local people? Kakevin in Nebo, they send this law to the Attorney General. In the Office of Attorney General, Zingapi legislation department ke Attorney General ada mingi. One of them is Solicitor General's office. Second one is the first parliamentary council. The first parliamentary council is concerned with all legislation in this country. At a parliament, it is drafted by the first parliamentary council. So this law will be approved by the first parliamentary council. Sometimes badrusu a sensitive parliamentary committee on the legal affairs will have to look at this law before it is sent back for enforcement at the district level. But the district law madripi adreni real we could district law local it has to have a process. It must be approved by the government. Government Lastly, Amasa Deibo, you will excuse me a bit. The way how people look at those operating discos is misplaced. It's like bandit apima power ke sarole. What happens and why these people are looking powerful is that most of the time enforcement is the problem. You find a sub-county chief turns to be the prosecutor, the complainant, the prosecutor, the judge, and it issues also the order. Why do I say so? Me sue the chairman, LC3 chairman or the sub-county chief works with the police to confiscate disco instruments, and then the sub-county region, the ordinance enforcing. That is not the way. You are supposed to complain against this disco operator, saying it is contrary to the ordinance. Section this of the ordinance. You can file your case in the magistrate court or LC court. And then the LC court or the magistrate court must have that hearing and issue a decree and an order that these instruments must be confiscated and brought to court. And this person must pay penalty like this. And then it is now the police to take that order, confiscate such kind of instrument and put that person to book. That is how it is enforcement is done. And then that's where a problem comes. Our four.
Our four mega ama deputy Fred inje your maturwa male yo njete yo parish chief madia mekane Section 64, Local Government Act Cap 243. Fe azita parish chief ni azio ni kingazo azini yo leri report izura. Ifini parish chief ba gamete opekine. Gamete kade azita de ba in Local Government Act Section 64 Cap 243 bo yipuma dia yozukino ko parish chief mangake elebo ifini ngakine azigamete ne fedreko ifini bavini mafutiobera eyo lere chidi awadare pie bira eri nze yo azikine kuyo gamete yo bama fe di school physical ngone dere mika UPE policy ne UPE policy guidelines maria pari ezikichi gamete ne fe tipika pini rezo mwana jidibe afazi were fezi school maza kozo ne kichi ani dile baro mavine bazi alo sarse ama policy UPE policy or de ama policy UPE policy guidelines mo bi dile besu bazi ruo de ane pala indi yozukini kuyo UPE policy madruki eni USC policy madruki maybe ovale ni ende ifine bare oto etetasi azite yote party pika pini ngare kingoki yote pika pini chofere kingoki so kamete pan ni azita yozukana ko afarde niko misune kini schools ebi present azifepi echajipi wera tipika pini yoni linyara reke kisinda reke feki school nde ati school ni yonyiro askuni tipika nikila mikatitro mungwa sasa ni si amebiki mu benchmarking yambarra misune mbarra ma district ya piwa ne kisilingi fe alif kaliezi tamave ke salwabo bayo kinngone ba fesende ko and yet it is provided for it
on la bani la ba ma draw and ya ko areba fe physical de ko
sama vodo ari dada nibo afisa malia dakika ogogo suru de pese tutuniyo de adi mi apediti tuniabo emi onvi adani debo madilu iyo azikia ilu alia achezo minto bobi nirari ama fudwarse
our the four obi ete amadu sivura idra mudu ko diarera mini mitiela dradrachiani miam midri jocho tivrada udwaza samadra riva miam arriva udwa lo se amadre logiria miam logiria da ajia
udiri
agia mi adumo ni kwa odu sosi da mane tsonzera da watfo
okay
yes
LC5 ayo azi akezuti second mudri maria
iyo mani to yori iyo kaibionitabe masuru vorale ama makoduko ama madre o tiro ro padrian rezu kiliru anje amardi mala skulu kadini ko ama vle anje di ngani paso suru malia kongolo ko azita amani si sad sidiri ovunlo alu district ni ko iri amani mi pie woro iringa amaza ko ngirngire kwersi iri amaza ko unita mombo tuzu iri bina amaza ko afonzi anje no nyanza iple wenvuza pele disi night disco tabani yode iri bina mu amaza ko alene mi piedria azine yobani anzi yayozu azingazo bati denganzi melitani azini kodi iringa amaza ko asizu iringa amaza ko anzi abale trading centers tu asi dilatisi awadi kozu tu aludizu beskulwa mega awadi fo ministero to miniti amaverse.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Mr. Dule called and said he always makes sure that he leaves his contact at school to make follow-up of his kids at school through the head teachers and the teachers. So I encourage all the parents to emulate him. It is not only that you have bought a book for a child and you send the child to school, you leave the child, the rest is to be done by the teacher. No. It is our duties and responsibilities as parents. You make follow-up, you have discussion, share the challenge the child has with the teachers so that the child is able to remain at school and complete that cycle. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Finally.
For ma ba pike yiworo otitaba no ba oduba no ba muzu emifu community level ba ma koko ba memu ale ni ara askuna memu ezita Ethiopia maza copy anja mavrediki embazu school are basi tualo aduire ngane amazako ma imi woro oduba no pedi mali amemuki kata mavredi ferade ne ba
amadia sidia wadifo heritasi